What's up? I'm Matt Morland, owner of Uniontown Detailing. We are a exclusive car care company. So we do a lot of different things for your vehicle, whether it's detailing, ceramic coating, paint correction, window tinting, undercoating, whatever car care we can do. So I can even pull dents out of your vehicle, okay? Uniontown Detailing got started pretty much from something I've always been passionate about, which is cars. I'm a car guy by heart. I've always liked taking care of my personal vehicles. There was an opportunity that arose where I could actually do this for a living, and here we are. We're going on our 6th year in business. We are happy to be here. We're gracious for all the support that we have. We're gonna keep it going. We obviously do, professional detailing, care stuff like that, but we also do undercoating, window tinting, we do paintless dent repair, we do cosmetic wheel repair, we do vinyl wraps, we do paint protection film. So we're kind of a complete all the way around, service for caring for your vehicle, whether it be preventative, where you want something done styling wise to kind of change the appearance of your vehicle, we can do that. Whenever you're interested in calling to get a quote, or if you want to get a price, it's always best to stop in person so we can do a free evaluation. It's a free consultation. I can give you a quote on the spot. We are experts. We will take the proper steps in care for your vehicle, like it's our own. We want to put a quality product out on the street every time, every detail. We want to be the best for your car.